Most new creators operate under a strict unspoken rule. You have to wait. You post, you grind, and you assume that until you hit a magical threshold, like 10,000 followers, you simply aren't big enough to earn a single rupee. But waiting to unlock YouTube partner status or holding out for massive brand sponsorships puts your earning potential entirely in the hands of unpredictable algorithms and corporate marketing budgets. It is a waiting game that causes thousands of creators to burn out before they ever see a paycheck. The mechanics of creator income have shifted. Instead of depending on ad splits, the fastest route to monetizing today is direct commerce. This means your audience buys a product you recommend directly through your curated link, and you earn a commission on the sale. Purchasing decisions are driven by trust. For a smaller creator, recommending a product feels like receiving advice from a friend, leading to higher conversion rates. This trust allows a small, loyal audience to generate a higher volume of sales than a massive passive one. By the end of this video, we are going to bypass the waiting period entirely. We'll set up a personalized, fully functional creator storefront that you can launch today, requiring absolutely zero technical skills and zero upfront investment. Monetization is a function of targeted strategy and audience trust. These factors operate independently of your follower count or vanity metrics. Step 1 of that strategy happens before we touch any software. You need to define a strict niche for your content. If you review tech gadgets on Monday and post budget travel vlogs on Tuesday, your product recommendations become scattered. An audience tunes in for specific expertise. When your focus is narrow, it is significantly easier to predict exactly what your viewers actually want to buy. Once your niche is locked in, we need a mechanism to offer those products. For this, we'll use Zokera. It allows independent creators to build a digital shop in minutes at zero cost with immediate access to over 1,000 established brand partnerships. The primary operational advantage here is a mechanic called follower cashback. Usually, clicking an affiliate link only benefits the creator. This system splits the benefit. When someone buys through their storefront, you earn a commission, and they earn cash back on their purchase, removing the typical hesitation a viewer might feel before checking out. Setting this up takes roughly 3 minutes. You create an account, navigate to the storefront setup, and claim a custom URL that reflects your personal brand. By pairing your highly specific content niche with a built-in financial reward for the buyer, you permanently eliminate the friction that usually makes selling to an audience feel awkward. Step 2 is curation. Inside the platform, you have access to a catalog of over 1,000 brands spanning tech, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Here is where many new creators make a critical error. Do not promote products you haven't vetted or don't actually believe in. One poorly chosen recommendation will break your audience's trust, and trust is the only currency that drives long-term sales. Keep your initial selection tight. Search the catalog for 3 to 4 items that perfectly match your specific niche, and simply click to add them directly to your new storefront. Now you have a fully populated store, but a curated shop generates zero income if your audience has to hunt to find it. This requires strict distribution. Your custom Zokera URL must live in your primary digital real estate. It goes directly into your Instagram bio and the top line of every YouTube video description. For short-form content like Reels or Shorts, you can deploy auto DM tools. This allows you to automatically send your storefront link directly to the inbox of any follower who comments on your video, capturing their interest exactly when engagement is highest. Direct commerce only works if your storefront link remains the consistent destination for your entire digital audience. Step 3 is optimization. Once your link is live, your focus shifts to the analytics dashboard. This chart visualizes user behavior. The wide top layer represents raw clicks, which indicate audience interest. But we need to track how those clicks narrow down into actual conversions or completed sales at the bottom. Your response to this data dictates your revenue. If a specific skincare product or camera lens shows a high conversion rate, you double down. You produce more content focused around that exact item. Conversely, if you see an item generating dozens of clicks but zero sales, you remove it. Ruthlessly prune products from your storefront that fail to convert and test new alternatives in their place. A profitable creator storefront is never a static web page. It is a living catalog that evolves based on hard data and your audience's proven purchasing habits. Let's look at the final result. When a follower clicks your bio link, they enter a clean, customized, friction-free shopping experience tailored to their interests. But do not treat this as a one-time setup. Dropping your link in a single post and walking away will not generate consistent income. As your sales grow, you must begin moving your followers off of rented social media platforms, where algorithms control your reach, and into owned channels. Build an email newsletter or a WhatsApp broadcast list so you can send your new product recommendations directly to them. Professional creators treat their platform like a business by maintaining a continuous, contextual conversation about their storefront within their content. You have the tools, and you understand the strategy. Stop waiting for permission or a higher follower count. Launch your Zokera storefront, deploy your link, and start